Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be really fun to show you guys how I get curly hair overnight. My hair is pretty long. It's all the way down here. So I love to have curly hair. My hair is naturally straight all the time. So this isn't blow dried or straightened or nothing. This is the end of the day after work. I'm going to show you guys how I like to get curls. And I'll just braid it now and then go to bed, wake up and have some waves. But you know how when you have French braids and the curls are kind of uneven or the sides of it don't get curled? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 braids, and I'm not even going to part them perfectly. We're just going to have one on each side and one down the middle. And I always love to do a Dutch braid. So we're going to do a little time lapse and show you guys how I do this, and then we'll see what it looks like in the morning. So first off, I'm just going to brush my hair real quick because it needs to be brushed, and then we'll get to braiding. Okay, so I have no idea what this looks like. I think I felt, yeah. So I missed a strand. Luckily I have a crimper. I'll just do that on this little thing. So I think what I'm going to do, normally I'll pull the braids out if I am like going to wear it like this, but this is what it looks like in the back. I have no idea, so I think what we're going to do is I'm going to spray it with hairspray. Actually, I have this texturizing sea salt spray. This is Not Your Mother, so we're going to spray it with this. The only hairspray that I have, I've been trying to use up products before I buy more, so the only hairspray I have is the Flexible Hold Hairspray from Dove Hair Care. So it's a compressed micro mist, and it's not like a tough hairspray, but it's very flexible, so we're going to go ahead and spray these little guys. There's a mirror right here, so I'm going to look over here. Okay, alright, I will see you guys in the morning and we'll take these braids out. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next morning. We're almost ready for the day. Let's go ahead and take these guys out. I did spray them again with hairspray and just to kind of lock them in, let the hairspray dry while I did my makeup. And let's go ahead and take these out. Alright, there we go. I would say one thing that I would probably do different, since I've done this whole thing without looking at the back of my head, I think what I would do, instead of having straight lines of 3 parts, I would kind of have zigzag lines, because you know, those of you who know, when you braid your hair in pigtails, that part is there in the middle and it just kind of looks funky. So if you make your lines all jagged or not even make lines at all, I think it would look more natural when it lays and you don't have to worry about the part. So let's look at the back. And so we're gonna see it's so different. So you guys can tell this one right here, this is my left side. The waves are not as tight as the ones in the middle, so that's kind of off. And then same as the ones on this side. This sides are not as tight as the ones in the middle, but that is okay. We have curls, we can kind of blend them in. I may have put too much hairspray in on the sides because it's kind of stiff a little bit, but we'll just brush that out. I did go all the way up to my bangs on the right side, but I really like how the front of it is laying. I like this look. I am going to crimp the bottom just so it's not so straight. And then we're just kind of brushing out the part a little bit. I wish I didn't make a straight part because it's completely parting down the sides for me, but that's okay. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this with hairspray. And we are gonna crimp the ends. Actually, let's crimp the ends. So I already have this plugged in. This is a Vital Sassoon. I had this, I didn't even know I had it. I was doing a closet declutter and I found this and I was so pumped, so I didn't have to go buy another one. But it seems to do the job, so we're just gonna use this guy real quick and just get the ends of it. We'll do a little bit at a time. You can totally tell the difference between the tightness of the braids in the back from this side to here. So there's always a hairstyle that I always go to if I have this problem of the parts. I normally just do a little bit at the top. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the sides and the top just a little bit and do a little messy bun on top, and then it'll just kind of blend everything together. So there's the back. Now I'm just going to pin it up and make it look a little bit more put together. So here is the hair, and we just did a little knot on top. I'm going to fix a few pieces up here. And we just did that, made it blend in a little bit. Alright, so cute. I love how this looks. So if I could do this again, I would just make different lines. I would try to make the braids all the same tightness or looseness because it does look a little funky, but I have curls that I normally don't ever get. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want more hair videos like this, and I will see you guys next time.